Today we're going to paint the 9.9 Yamaha. It's an older motor, it's a 1989, so it's not expected to be in the best condition paint wise, but when I was cleaning it up, I started to, the paint chipped off of these two plates here, which are just plastic. It looks like they've been touched up in the past because the paint doesn't match exactly the rest of it, and whoever touched it up didn't put any primer or anything underneath the paint, so it didn't adhere properly. So it was originally just going to repaint those plates, but I think we'll go ahead and we'll kind of touch the whole thing up. I'm not ordering new stickers. I kind of like the idea of having this aging to the stickers. I mean, to me, it just goes with the year that it is. So I'll just take the stickers, and I don't want to pay for it. Stickers are expensive when you order new stickers. It's not worth it for this old motor. Got everything sanded down, including the prop, including the prop, all the nooks, crevices, and crannies on here that I am at least going to be able to get to. So next, I'm going to give it a thorough wash and then a degreasing before we start painting. I still have to tape off parts that I don't want paint to get on. After I do that, I'll also hit it with a degreaser one more time. One thing that you need to look out for, because it's kind of important, to make sure that you get all the grease from around here, this swivel bracket where this the motor turns at. There are grease fittings in there, and generally on any outboard that's not maintained really well, you're going to have years worth of grease caked up around here and here. So make sure you get as much of that off as possible. If the grease is left over, the paint will not adhere. So next up, I'm going to tape off all the stickers that I want to keep. I'm going to tape that off. Also need to prime the part that is just bare plastic or fiberglass or whatever this is made out of. It's probably fiberglass. So and also the surround there, I'm not going to take that surround off, so I'm going to tape that as well. Okay. So I haven't used this tape before. It's made by 3M. This is a 3M tape, but it's supposed to be for delicate surfaces. It still feels pretty sticky. So yeah, that's definitely a little too sticky for these old stickers. So what I'm gonna do is I take the tape, stick it down to a towel before I put it on the motor. So that it's a little less sticky. Won't rip our sticker off. That's better. What I'm doing is I'm taking, this is my pick here, and just kind of using the rounded part, not the point, but just the rounded part to make a crease in the tape on the outside of the stickers. And then I'm going to come back with a box cutter and I'll cut that out. You can see where I outlined it with the pick. Alright, everything's all taped. I'm going to wipe it down with some degreaser one last time, and then we'll go ahead and put some paint on it. Alright, so not sure if you can see, one coat is on, not sure if you can see, it's kind of rough in some spots, and I originally didn't plan on going all out, so I wasn't going to, sand between coats, but I do want it to look a little better than this, so I'm going to go ahead and wet sand a couple spots, and then actually up here on the actual motor looks decent, but the cowl and these little side plates, I'm going to go ahead and hit those with the sander before the next coat. Alright, put on 2 coats of the base color. Looks decent. I'm happy with it. Looks much better than it did before. Alright, so I applied 2 coats of clear, and I'm happy with it. Also, I'm out of clear because I only ordered 1 can, so it's done. Just gonna let it dry. According to the can, this is Color Right, which is the official paint for Yamaha. It says you can wet sand within 3 to 4 days, and you can give it a polish within 2 weeks. Probably not going to do either, personally. But we'll see. Maybe I'll polish it down the road. We'll see.